Hi there, welcome back to SaveWithCrypto. My name's SaveWithCrypto. Now, this here is the Bitget exchange. If you want to use Bitget, use my link, savewithcrypto.org/Bitget, and you can get up to a $30,000 trading bonus to get you started. Now, I just entered this trade here. I actually did it on my phone, and I will show you that in a moment, because a friend of mine asked me how he could, well, basically what to do with his BGB. He's got quite a bit of BGB, the Bitget token, and he was wondering what he could do with it. And one of my suggestions was you could use it as collateral to do Bitcoin trades on Bitget. So he asked me how to do that on a phone. So here's the video that I sent him. Okay, so what we want to do here is to long Bitcoin using BGB as the collateral. Okay, so first of all, you want to make sure that your BGB is in the right account. So if it's in the spot account, you need to move it by going transfer and transfer it from spot to coin M. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to go all, confirm. Okay, transfer successful. Okay, so that's now in the coin M. So if we now go to futures, okay, now we're going to trade Bitcoin against USD, okay? But we're going to use BGB as the collateral. So here you can choose what you use, and you can choose Bitcoin if you want to, but we're not going to use that. We're going to use BGB, okay? So make sure you get your leverage not stupid like what I've got, and then you can enter a position here. So you just pick your price, pick the amount, open a long, and you can see here that it's using the margin of 58.4 BGB. Okay, so you confirm that, boom, you've got a trade. I think that failed actually. Yeah, it did. Now, when it's open, you can see here that it says unrealized profit and loss, and it shows you in BGB, okay? So that's now using BGB as the margin for a Bitcoin trade. So it's not like you have to look for a Bitcoin BGB pair, it's a Bitcoin USD pair, but you're using BGB as the margin. All right, I hope that helps. Now, of course, that rather beautifully filled as the price dumped earlier on. So that was pretty good. So thank you very much, my friend. I'm now 7.19% in profit, $22, not bad, which is actually marked here as 3.88 BGB. So I've got more BGB than I started with. Well, I would have if I closed it now. Now, I'll probably mess it up now because I'm going to show you how to do it on a laptop. So all you do here is you come down here, and where it says assets BTC, you can change that there to BGB. Okay, so up here it will show you the BGB that I have left there. Okay, and if I wanted to enter, say for example here, like 122,775, let's say 122,775, I could just do that and then open a trade there, and you can see here that that is using margin 39.3 BGB. Okay, so confirm that. Oops, that one failed as well. So I didn't expect that to happen. Right, okay, so I'm in a bigger trade now. Oh, anyway, you get the idea. You can trade Bitcoin using BGB as the collateral, and also it's not just BGB. You can actually use whatever that is, staked ETH, is it? XRP, Ethereum, USDE, no idea what that is, USDC, I know what that is, and BGB. So there you go. That's quite a cool way to increase the amount of BGB that you have. Okay, so I actually started this video yesterday, and what I did once I'd done that last bit was I pushed the stop loss into profit a little bit, and then I kind of forgot about it, to be honest, actually. And then overnight the price of Bitcoin came down a little bit, so it hit the stop loss, It made 3.51%, which is okay. It actually only made 3.3 BGB, but that's 3.3 more BGB than I had when I started. So there you go. That's how you can use BGB as the base asset, the collateral in a trade to make more BGB. Now, this kind of thing is possible on the other platforms as well, but this is the only one I kind of feel comfortable doing it with. It's quite a good exchange, Bitget. I've actually used it a lot over the last few years. There's a few things I don't like about it. One of them is when you set a trailing stop, it becomes invisible. It's really weird. I will show you that sometime, but it's one of the things that I don't like, and I commented about it years ago, and they said the team was going to look into it, and they never did. And that was literally about 2 years ago, and nothing happened. So I don't know. It's not my favourite exchange anymore, but it's not bad. And you can get a $30,000 trading bonus if you use my link, savewithcrypto.org/bitget. Also, if you use that link to trade or any of the other exchange links that are in the description below this video, it will entitle you to get free access to the Discord. You get free access anyway just by going to savewithcrypto.org/discord, but it will give you the VIP access where you get access to the trading floor and lots of other really funky cool features that we've got over there in the Discord. So do check that out as well, savewithcrypto.org/discord, and obviously check out the links in the description down below. If you do want to use our amazing indicator, Quadzilla, savewithcrypto.org/QZ, then you will automatically get VIP access to the Discord as well. Anyway, let's just have a quick look at Bitcoin just before I go. So the price came down quite a bit yesterday, and if we put on Quadzilla, you can see what happened here. So we were getting these yellow and green EMAs, that's 21 and 55 EMAs. We were getting those converging nicely yesterday, and it was looking like they were going to cross and it was all going to go up and everything was going to be unicorns and rainbows, but unfortunately they didn't cross over, so they actually came back the other way, and this means we're still in a downtrend. So looking further down, I think we are looking down maybe much further. So maybe this weekly level here at 114, or the level we've been talking about quite a bit at 108, unless something happens to pump up the price. Now, talking of pump, one thing I've got my eye on at the moment is pump. This is Pump Fun, pump.funds coin, and I'm looking at it reaching this retracement here at 0.0054. Now, the thing is, this is a kind of meme coin, if you like, with no utility. So, anything could happen. And there is this retracement level down here as well at 0.0033. And kind of this one here actually at 0.0048 as well. So I'm going to see what happens when we get to this retracement level here. And possibly think about taking a long there. If that falls through there, though, I'll be looking at that level and then that level. Something I've never traded before, but I think it might be okay just to make a bit of money with. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. So if you like the sound of all that, please do give the video a great big fat like. While you're down there, please do make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications set on all. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And above all, tell your friends.
Steuersache.